Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Cash App referral code not showing problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular Cash App on your mobile phone, and then right afterwards tap on this profile icon given on top right corner. Then from over here, go ahead in this kind of interface, go ahead, scroll down to the bottom and tap on this option of support as highlighted. Then from that point on, tap on this option of something else as highlighted at the bottom. Then now you will have this option of cash card. Go ahead, tap on it. Then from over here you will find this kind of interface. Now all you gotta do is simply scroll down to the bottom and then tap on this option of contact support as highlighted again, and tap on not about a transaction at the bottom, and then tap on this option of chat at the bottom again. And now go ahead, chat with the official online support, let them know their query, and they will simply solve this out for you and you're good to go. So that's how easy it is. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.